Welcome. If you've ever struggled to spot important folders in your Google Drive's shared section, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'll show you a quick and updated way to color folders that others have shared with you. This simple trick will make your drive more organized and help you find what you need in seconds. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Google Drive app. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Shared tab. This is where you'll find all the folders and files that other people have shared with you. If you're like most people, this section can get crowded fast, so color coding is a real lifesaver. Now, browse through your list and find the folder you want to color. When you've found it, tap on the three dots next to the folder's name. This will open up a menu with several options. Scroll through until you see Change Color. Go ahead and tap on that. A palette of colors will pop up. Here's where you get to have a little fun. Pick your preferred color. Maybe you want to make urgent folders red, projects blue, or personal stuff green. The choice is yours. As soon as you tap your color, you'll see the folder update instantly. One important thing to know: changing the color of a shared folder only affects how it looks in your own drive. It won't change how the folder appears for the person who originally shared it or for anyone else. This means you can organize your view without worrying about messing up someone else's system. That's it. With just a few taps, you've made your shared section easier to navigate and a lot more visually appealing. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Google Drive tutorials. See you in the next video.